Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter on this 2008 Volvo S80. It has a 6-cylinder engine. It is a T6. You can see the air tube coming from here, and your air filter is in here. All you really need to do is get a T25, unscrew the screw here, 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 and back there. You lift the box up enough, all that stuff will pivot with it. Lift it up enough to get the air filter out, slide the new air filter in, and secure the lid back down. Do not over tighten these screws or you'll strip the bottom of the box, the screw receivers in the bottom of the air box. Secure all 4 screws and you're all done. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.